glam just got here. I'm about to do my makeup so I can film for my app. Tweet me if you have any suggestions on what I should film. A lot of people were asking for brown sugar, which is in the middle, compared to ginger and dolce, and here it is. So Harry, what look are we going for today?
I think the one with the on the corner kind of vibe.
I'm wearing Dirty Peach. Out tomorrow. So we're filming for my app. It's Vic and Harry.